Isa na namang Delta Cup weekend ang sumainyo muli. Nagmumula live dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Good morning, my name is Ryan Paro. 6 games muli ang matutunghay sa inyo. And of course, our first game of 6 will be the Battle of Wins. Ang MABALACAT already have a 3-win to no-loss record. Samantala naman ang San Simon will be 2-win and loss record. Both teams are one of the top scorers dito sa torneo na ito. But of course, both teams also one of the top 5 with regards limiting their opponents to less than 70 points. So, matutunghayan natin dito ang mga players na talaga ng mga hindi lang basta sisikat but also they can contribute immensely sa kanilang mga employees. Ang isa pang kapansin-pansin dito sa MABALACAT is that at least 4 of the players are almost scoring 8 points or more. Samantala naman ang San Simon, they are also one of the top 5 as far as the fast break point is concerned. So, huwag natin patatagalin ito. So, it's MABALACAT versus San Simon. First game of 6 sa Delta Cup. Stay tuned. And we have right now, speaking of stay tuned, and we have right now this title card. Okay, gaya ng sinabi ko, the starting 5 for MABALACAT, we have Tipino, Malyari, Dizon, Manalo, and David. With regards to San Simon, ang kanilang starters, Punsalan, Angeles, Pascual, Salihan, and Kunahan. One of the referees that will handle this game is, of course, our crew chief, si Anthony the Rookie Roque. He's one of the elite referees of the SBP. Also joining him, siguro on the coming games, is Jong Banaya Jr. and we also have some referees on its trail. So, standby lang po kayo. In just a few minutes, we will start this first game of 6 sa ating Delta Cup, and we are now in the middle part of eliminations. This is powered by Sinag Liga Asia. And of course, our beloved commissioner ng ating torneo dito sa Delta Cup, Coach Leo Isaac. Actually, yours truly and Coach Leo are from Mapua University, and we are so glad that that school is now finalist sa National Collegiate Athletic Association. Ang huling title namin ng Mapua Cardinals ay noong pang 1991. Matagal-tagal na rin kaming dugyot sa titulo. Kaya bilang isang Pilipino at yung mga nanonood natin mga Kapampangan ay talagang may mga Kapampangas din tayo na nag-aral din sa eskwela niya. And of course, in retrospect, dito rin po sa Kapampangan, sa Delta Cup and also the Sinag Liga Asia, we have also our one broadcaster. We would like to express, of course, condolences to one of the elite broadcasters ng mga 1980s. He started in radio. His name is Mr. Don Manolo Fabis, who just passed away yesterday at the age of 84. And of course, the Delta Cup and the Sinag Liga Asia expressed condolences. Good friend niya ni Seb Sarmenta. Good friend niya ng mga ating mga ibang pa mga Kapampangan broadcasters. So, muli sa pakikiramay sa naulilang Don Manolo Fabis. He's best known for that program. This is Manolo and his family in DCWP. And of course, ito po ang lingkod. Alright, we're just minutes away to start this game. At kagaya na sinabi ko sa ating game story, this is Battle of Wins. Pareho pa silang walang talo. One of them will lose, but of course, ang nakikita natin sa spirit ng Kapampangan, they want to try their best and play the best game possible. And of course, speaking of Kapampangan, binabati natin of course si Club Delta Pineda. Isa na lang, magna-national title na sila doon sa kabilang liga. Talagang sigurado it will be a mayhem here in San Fernando as we now start game 1 of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. This is the jump. And first possession, manggagaling po sa San Simon. Nakasuot sila ng kulay navy, light blue uniforms. Pero may pagka-shade ng dark. Of course, or the immaculate white is Mabalacat as we see the first basket by San Simon, courtesy of Cunanan. 20 seconds gone by sa ating first quarter. Mag-employ ngayon ang Mabalacat ng kanilang ponong offense this time. Konsentrado sila sa kaliwang bahagi. Let's see. Huling-huli! Cunanan, straight and true rejection. Okay, from the baseline, hindi muna pinwersa ng Mabalacat. They play straight up defense and as a result, turnover. Unang turnover yan para sa San Simon. Pakita natin sa mga batang ito na kapag sila'y didepensa, talagang straight up lalo na yung mga maliliksim player katulad ni Cunanan. Now they have 14 seconds on the shot clock. So far, Mabalacat hasn't yet on the board. Titira uli sila sa baseline. David, kick out. Shot clock at 3 seconds. Bitin ang kanyang tira. Tatakbo ngayon ang San Simon. That time, minadali. Reverse layup, sumobra. So 2-4 shots for San Simon. Right down the baseline. Finally, a basket there for Mabalacat, courtesy of Manalo. So si Manalo and si Cunanan have scored both. A minute and 30 seconds gone by, mga kaibigan. Nice jab. Fast about. Gandang disyon. And that time, a basket by San Simon, courtesy of Punsalan. 4-2 is their tally. Ito, medyo good news to. Gumagana yung shot clock. Pareho. David, off the pick. It bounces ba? May konting awang ring. And David scores out of the bucket for Mabalacat. And we are already tied at 4 apiece. That's our second deadlock in this first game of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. Again, libreng-libre po ang panonood dito ng Delta Cup sa BREN Convention Center. Punta lamang po kayo dito. At saka masasarap yung mga tapsilugan dyan, mga agahan. Samantala, unang foul of the ball game will be against Mabalacat. Let's see that again on the last bit of action on that last field goal by San Simon. Look at that. Great camera work there. Number 18 ang tinawagan ng foul sa Mabalacat. That will be the first foul of the ball game. Only 10 seconds to go on the shot clock. Maganda sana creativity pero blanca. Reset ang shot clock. Salian, tumira, wala. And look at Cunanan. Offensive board. Ayaw lang pumasok. So Cunanan is all over the place. Ngayon ang Mabalacat. They'll go for a baseline post. Tipido, inutakan si Cunanan pero di pumasok ang kanyang sneaking shot. Here's another drive. Nako. Pangalawang foul na yan. Ni David. So that's 2 straight fouls on David. So he might get replaced. Let's see that again in this last bit of action on that last fast break opportunity. Hindi lang pumasok, but he will take 2 shots. Alright, Punsalan now where he collected 3 points. That's the first free throw attempt for this game 1 of 6. And Punsalan scores. Mamaya-maya at halftime ay magbibigay daan ako sa ating mga Facebook viewers na naka-tune in sa atin sa Pampanga Information Office and of course sa Sinag Liga Asa. And of course, kanina, i-recognize ko si Coach Desak as we take a look at the basket again by David where he has 4 points. Of course, yung President ng Sinag Liga Asa and CEO, si Ray Alaw and Chairman Rocky Chan. Of course, Governor That is Delta Pineda. He will join the Delta Cup 1 finals. Samantala, meron tayong foul laban kay Pascual. And Pascual will be dealt with his first personal foul. Ngayon, kung natatandaan nyo sa opening ng Delta Cup, nabigay si Governor Delta ng libreng uniform sa lahat ng mga teams. At meron din siyang parang pot money sa mananalo. It will be, what, $1 million or something? 2 free throws, pero isa lang ang pumasok para kay David. And David has already collected 5 points now. Top scoring. Ito na ang San Simon. Look at that move by Cunanan. Side step, the Pinoy step. Hindi lang pumasok. And now the MABALACAT team will slow down the tempo. They still have a huge... Oh! Ang ganda naman tira no ni Dizon. Nakalusot. Reverse layup, and Cunanan have a possible N1 situation with a foul against MABALACAT. That will be against Manalo, his first personal. Napakabilis ng action natin. Basket dito, basket sa kabila. Let's take a look at this replay if we can. Look. Oh, that's a nice pass. Ayun, sumabit si Manalo. May foul. May kasama pang foul. Ayun, nakahiga na siya. Nako! Kinapos ang tira. At kasama rin sa ating referees ngayon si Birds Isuga. Ayun. Mamaya makakalaman natin yung isang referee natin sa ating first game of 6 Delta Cup. Live po dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paro. Hoy, sa mga nanonood po ng collegiate basketball, bukas po I'll be covering the ISAA. Doon po kami sa Trinity University. Kasama ko si Dave Lozano ng Sinagliga-Asa. So, it will be a 2-man panel tomorrow para sa knockout games na yan, or rather, playoff games. Tipiro. Masyado bitin ang kanyang second attempt, pero alam mo, gustong-gusto ko yung effort niya sa pagkuha ng bola. You can see the effort of these youngsters that really want to improve their craft, improve their game, so to speak. Baseline drive, a bounce pass, another extra pass. Yan ang maganda sa San Simon. Talagang nahahanap nila yung best possible shot for the team. And that time, they fish a foul from San Juan. At natatawagan nun ay si number 33. So si Dimla, papasok para sa San Simon. And free throws dito, si Punsalan, he makes the first. And Punsalan now has 5 points. 5 points na po si Punsalan. Tabla tayo sa 9. This is our third deadlock. One more for Punsalan. He got it. He has 6. He made the last 4 free throws. Ito na ang MABALACAT. So pahinga muna yung malaki nila, yung malaking mama nila, para siya yung huling naka-foul. In the meantime, Espino with a drive, almost a bucket. And it's the fast break opportunity once again. Dimla at the right place at the right time. First field goal for him coming off the bench. It's the first bench points of this game. And so far, lamang po ng 3 puntos San Simon, 12-9, 4-23 sa ating first kanto. Tipino, tumina ng 3. Bitin. He gets it right back. Up. Teka muna. May foul sa ilalim. The foul will be against Angeles. It will be his first personal foul. And MABALACAT already has 14 fouls. Teka na this replay. Ayun, bilangga. Boom. Pangga uli. Ayan. Kumito na ang referee. May foul. So, warning for penalty na po ang MABALACAT. At dalawa pa lamang ang team fouls ng San Simon. Oh, nice pass inside the paint. How about that? Tipino with the recipient of that zip pass inside. Hang time mo. Uy, muntik na pumasok. Takbuhan ngayon ng MABALACAT. Very closely fought first quarter. From the baseline. Umatake. Uy, may foul. Medyo nag-iigpit na yung referee sa mga contact situations. At ang matatawagan ay si Salihan, his first personal. Tingnan natin muli sa slow-mo kung nangyari. Ayun, sinalubong ni Salihan. That will be a foul. Free throws time. Intis doon si Dizon. So far, Dizon has 2 points in this ball game. He's been averaging 8 points per game. Oh, uncharacteristically, he missed both. He's a 70% free throw shooter. Baba tayo sa 3 minutes. Muntik na kamakagaw dito si Espino. Form the baseline. 3-point shot by Angeles. Wala. Salia nakakuha muli ng rebound. Ang pasa na Antala. Nakaagaw. Ito, takbo kayo ng Mabalacat. 4-on-3 situation. Nakabawi with the layup. Dizon makes up lost time after those 2 boo-boos in the free throws. Take a look at this on the slow-mo replay with that last foul. Wow, nice shot. Nice shot. So bonus free throw po si Dizon. And Dizon has already collected 4 markers. Okay, may papalitan po muna sa Mabalacat. Keep an eye on these players, number 17, number 9 respectively in both teams. Sila yung mga bago. Yung isa si Ishay naka-foul, isa naman bagong pasok. Dizon Mintis ang kanyang free throw. Angeles and the rest of San Simon. Wow! They hit a 3 from the corner. At yan I see Salihan, and that's the first basket for Salihan in this ball game. Ayun, si Pineda yung kapapasok lang na player sa Mabalacat. Time remaining now is 2 minutes and 42. You can see that on the lower right-hand side of your screen. Pineda sa loob. Oh! Nakapasok at nakabingwit ng foul pa. And so far, the inside points of Mabalacat have been so successful. Take a look at this instant replay showing Pineda's inside incursion at yung malaking mama ang tinawagan ng foul. And it's a mess. We'll stay with San Simon. All right, man. Dizon penetrates. Got it. 6 points now for Dizon. First foul kanina si Angeles. And the lead is 2 for Mabalacat. Halftime move! Uy! Pangalawang beses na yan na gusto niya mag-jackknife. Samantala, easy getaway there by Pineda. Back-to-back baskets. Kung kamag-anak pa ito ni Gop Delta, alamin natin. Samantala, triple team. Magandang depensa pinapakita ng Mabalacat, and that's why they're one of the top teams here. 3-point shot. Back irons it. At ang bola mapupunta sa Mabalacat. Napapansin natin ng Mabalacat, hindi nila pinipwes ang tira. They let it come, pero that time nag-fail doon si Espino to bring up the ball to the front court dahil tinawagan siya ng 8-second backcourt violation. Yung Espino pa na yan, talagang trubo Kapampangan yan, lubaw. Pero ito si Espino, naglaro ngayon, galing siya sa Mabalacat. Of course, isang Kapampangan player na sumigat din sa Philippine basketball ay si Dennis Espino. Bad pass though by Dimla. And San Simon, first time sa lalong ito na they trail sila by 4 points. Because mostly in the first quarter, dominado na San Simon ang laro. Pero naka-respect dito ang Mabalacat at this stage. At turnover na naman ng Mabalacat. Gusto makabawi dito San Simon. Counter steal ang Mabalacat. Baba na tayo sa 54 seconds. Ganun kabilis ang ating first quarter. Pineda na naman. Sumalaksak sa loob. That's the third straight field goal of Pineda. He already got 6 points. It is now 21-15. Kick out, 3 ball. Ayun, pumasok. Yan na kailangan San Simon, yung outside artillery niya. At si Kuhan ang nakamuslo ng 3. So, turnover na naman. Tolentino nagtapon ng bola pero Yung nagdala ng bola si Dimla ay tinawagan ng dribbling violation, lifting of the ball. 8.4 seconds na lamang tayo. Ganun kabilis. Napakabilis ng first quarter natin, direct ha. 5 seconds na lamang po. Okay. Pinakita natin huling slow-mo replay. 5 seconds remaining. Not quite. 1 second to go ay di naaabot. Tapos na po ang ating first quarter. Mabalacan have scored 21 points. San Simon has already got 18. Direct ipakita natin ang ating first quarter highlights kung gaano kabilis at kasaya panoorin mga batang ito na talagang ipinakita ang kanilang shooting katulad niyan. Ipinakita nila yung dexterity sa loob at yung mamang drive ni Pineda. Naka 6 points si Pineda sa sa quarter na yan. And that should do it with our first quarter. 21-18. Mabalacan up by 3. Uli, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat mga Kapampangan. Bumuli si Ryan Paro live dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Again, we are live here at the Pampanga PIO Facebook page and also Sinagdiga Asa. Let's greet some of them. We have Oba Briones, Kim Season Arcilia, Mariano Tumalian watching right now dito sa Delta Cup. Sana po natin second quarter. Mayroong foul sa ilalim. Bagong pasok na player para sa Mabalacat. He might be charged with the first foul. Samantala, Punsalan will shoot 2 free throws. And Punsalan already scored 4 of 4. Let's see if continue his free throw shooting streak. Okay. Unang mintis ni Punsalan. Yan yung tawag na broadcasting. Yan po yung mga coaches natin sa panig ng San Simon. See that on your screens. Punsalan splits his charities and he's already got 7 points. So yung huling foul ang tinawagan ay si Malyari. That's his first personal. In the meantime, bola babalik pa rin para sa Mabalacat. And isa pa napansin ko sa Mabalacat, they are put on premium in ball and player mode. Nakikita natin marami silang mga box dito. Pero nag-iikit na rin ang depensa sa San Simon. Pero that's too tight. And the foul will be up against San Simon. That will be the first foul of the squad. Tingnan natin yung huling ayun, nabangga siya ng foul. So si Dimla tinawagan ng foul. That's his first personal. And we only have about 9 seconds on the shot clock para sa Mabalacat. Double team doon. Tumira, pinilit. Wala. Takbo San Simon. Rivera tuloy-tuloy, binangga. Referee's letting the players play and he turns the ball over. Tandaan nyo po mga kabalin, unang laro pa lamang to ng ani muli dito sa Delta Cup. Next week magbabalik po ang Delta Cup. Samantala, a turnover there para sa Mabalacat as Pineda steps on the sideline. Siyempre, yun yung kanina pinag-usapan natin NCAA. Yung sa kabila naman, UAAP Finals, 1-0 na po ang UP. Maluk palabas yung tirang tres na yon. Takbo ang Mabalacat. Elos pa. Pumasok ang layup. That is counted. And he will be given a bonus situation. Si Kunan ang tinawagan ng foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Beautiful move by Elospa. Let's take a look at this. Once he get it going, that's a circus shot. 2-point play opportunity for him. He didn't get it. That's Elospa. First field goal for him. So, sa Mabalacat, meron na tayong 6 players na naka-score. Samantala San Simon, hindi 5 pa lang. Punsa lang kanyang finger roll. Hindi pumasok. Santos getting the defensive rebound and takes the shot from 20 and hits it. So, unang field goal yan ni Santos. Para sa San Simon, tikit ang ating laban, 23-21. First game of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. Ball's almost lost. Ito na ang fast break. Ang gandang pitsa ngayon. Kaso yung reverse layup, masyadong malalim. Dahil ito si Elospa. Looking for cutter. Ito, sa loob, Malyani. Nice fake. Pinasa pa. And a good thing. Mayroong foul na tinawagan lamang sa San Simon. That's Vergara. That will be his first personal foul. Again, ako po yung lingkod, Ryan Paro. Live na live po dito sa GUIAO Convention Center. Solo anchor for the 6-game coverage of Delta Cup. So, ang mga one of what you call the Pampanga Inter-Cities Municipalities Basketball. Handog sa inyo ng Pampanga Information Office. Pero by Governor Delta Pineda. Napakaganda ng fake sana yun, pero kumagat sa fake si Vergara, pero di pumasok yung tira ni Pineda. Kanina pa rin ang bola para sa Mabalacat, pero nabitawan niya ang bola. Punsalan, engineering this fast break. Binigay sa guard at pumasok. Nice control, balance. That's Rivera's basket para sa San Simon. At yun ang unang field goal ni Rivera. So, tumadami na ang scoring. Uy! Pineda. Touch it last para San Simon talagang si Pineda. Very, very aggressive. Itong sa second quarter, ang dami niya mga attack sa loob. Take a look at this attack inside by Pineda. In the meantime, reverse layup. Uy! Tumaligod siya. Di na siya tumingin sa ring. Pero di pumasok yung tira. At ito na San Simon. Napaka-scrapping defense na Mabalacat. Pero they break away on this. Timla, bumangga. May foul. Nako. Pag si Malyari yan ang kanyang ikalawang foul. Panoorin natin yung huling drive na yung Dimla kung pwede. Pero ito na, titira ng free throws si Dimla. See one of the ball referees there. That's Bert Isuga from SPP. Dimla scores, and Dimla has already got 3 points in this game. San Simon, of course, yung municipality sa Pampanga na malapit sa index, pero sa huling free throw, that's a lane violation. Matatawagan sa San Simon, makabalik ang bola sa Mabalacat. You know, I'm just conserving my voice, mga kaibigan, dahil after nito bukas, ISAA. Kaya ang inyong lingkod ay lagari. 5:55 remaining the second quarter. Of course, pasalamatan natin yung mga teams. Mamaya babating ko sila. Yan, tingnan na. Complete roster tayo sa ating D&D production team. Samantala, Malyari inside. Ito na ang hinihintay ng production team. Ang unang case ng traveling. There you go. There you go. Yes, sir. 5:30 remaining in the second quarter. Eto, low post play. Turnaround shot. Nice shot again. This time, Punsalan making it. And he has 9 points. Leading all scorers. Siya ang unang player na... Uy, naku! Tignan ng figure. Look at that. Elospa. Sayang kanyang pihit. Libre sana yun. Nice save though. Pero to the wrong party. Takbo na kaya San Simon. Nakita libre. Nice pass. Nice pass. Eto na. Rumaratsada na San Simon. Basket there. And the lead is now 5. Santos giving that last basket. Take a look at this. Replay kung pwede. It's a 5-point San Simon league. Enjoy while we have this time out. Okay, kinonfirm ko lang kay crew chief natin sa ating first game na si Anthony Roque na yung third referee, IC Bulacan or second umpire. Masyado balikit yung depensa. Sabi ni Bertie Suga, foul si Rivera. Tingnan natin, Rivera only collected his first personal foul. Nangangalati na tayo sa ating second quarter. It's now 4 minutes and 47. Ganito kabilis kasi both teams talagang sila takbuhan sila kung meron silang pagkakataon, pero medyo madikita naman ang depensa. Second consecutive foul para sa San Simon at si Vergara matatawagan ng foul at yan na po ang penalty situation para sa San Simon. Ibig sabihin, kada foul ng San Simon ay free throw para sa MABALACAT. Unang free throw pumasok. Has one more chance. And they are still trailing by 4 points. Now 3 points, 2 for 2. At si David ang nakabuslo ng dalawang free throws. So he has 7 points. Tatawag ang timeout ng San Simon. The lead is 3 points, 28-25. Alright, ating score now is 20-25. Ang time remaining is 4 minutes and 42. Saka pala, yung mga referees natin sa SPP, no, sila po ang nagre-referee ngayon sa NCAA. No? So they will handle the Game 1 finals next week on Wednesday. Okay, samantala, Punsalan, minti sa kanyang jumper. Nagkagulo dito sa front court o sa center court. Ayun, naagawan ng San Simon and they have a fresh possession. And they are up by just 3 points. Uh-oh! Sabi ni Anthony, the rookie Roque, tinawagan offensive foul si Dimla. With an illegal pick, Dimla collected his second personal foul. 4:05 remaining in the second quarter. Lamang po ng tatlo ang San Simon. There's a pick provided there by Punsalan. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ng MABALACAT. There's a double pick, Manaloto. Ayun. Maigpit talaga mga referee sa mga moving picks, ha. Nahuhuli kagad. So, first foul pa lang yan ni Manaloto. Of course, he's not related to the artist Smokey Manaloto. 3 minutes and 50 remaining sa ating second quarter. Lamang po ang San Simon ng tatlo. 3 team fouls na ang MABALACAT. Penalty na po San Simon. 3-point shot from the corner. Bitin. Nakuha ni Punsalan ng bola. Nilabas. From top of the box. The drop. The teardrop. Ayaw. Nakuha lang ng puti. Fast break. Eto na ang home run. Simpleng-simple para kay Dizon. Sabi nga nila, papiso-piso. And just like that, Dizon has collected 8 points. From the corner. They have 13 to shoot para sa San Simon. Ito na si Rivera. 9 on the shot clock. Aatake. Wala mo puntahan. Ilabas kay Rivera. Tumira ng 3. Ayaw. Rebound. San Simon pa rin. The drop. Santos converts. At meron ng 6 points. Santos. 30-27. Here's the bounce. Ayaw. Nabitawan. Eto na ang fast break. Napigilan, nabulabog, nagkagriya, nagkaipitan. Jump ball sa amin ng referee. Ang possession arrow mapupunta kanino? Mapupunta pa rin sa San Simon. Kita natin po yung possession arrow dun sa table. Ayun, no? Ipit na ipit. Akin to, akin to. Akin yan. Ayan, jump ball po ang ibig sabihin yan. 2:35, ano niyo mga kaibigan, ganyan talaga pagka sa umaga, kailangan ng konting spice. Spice up to the action. Samantala, huli. Blanca yon. 6 on the shot clock. Angeles tumina ng 3. Bitin. Takbo ngayon ng Mabalacat. Naharangan siya ng bagya. Pinasahan niya si Malyari, pero bago yung tira, may foul muna. At matatawagan na foul. Tingnan natin signal ng ating referee. Yan o, basket, foul. Si number 6 ng San Simon. Tingnan natin ito from top view kami. Huling-huli talaga yung pasa. Ayun. It will be a foul on Cunanan. That will be his first personal foul. So bagamat wala pa pong player ang nagti-3 fouls dito, pero halos lahat sila, yung mga pumasok dito sa San Simon, may foul na. Kaya po sa pangyayari yan, penalty na po ang Mabalacat. Ngunit datapwat subalit. Itong si Rivera or si Dizon nag-split ng Charities. Hindi na kailangan trip sa free throw line and he has 9 points. He's now the second player for this game who scored 9 points. So both of them and Punsalan has scored 9. 2 minutes na lamang po sa ating second quarter. Oo, nagipit at naagaw na ng tuloy na Mabalacat. Ba, ito? Malaking mama, galing mag-dribble ha. Elospa, evading his defender. Ito, jump shot from 19. Walang awa. Bitin. Okay, si Rivera magdadala ng trangko para sa San Simon. Pero kanyang pasa, malamya. Hindi nasalo na kanyang kakampi ng tama. Lumabas sa sideline. Baba na tayo sa 1 minute and 30 sa ating first half. Medyo tight ang pasa. Buti nasalo ng kanyang kakampi. Baseline drive. Lumusot. Oh, yes! Yes, yes, yes. What a shot. That deserves a second look. That deserves a second look as we have a foul. Or Garcia. Panorin natin ang napakagandang dukot sa ilalim. Kita niyo naman. Woo! Yan ang tinatawag na a little mustard of the hotdog. Kung pupunta kayo sa 7-Eleven, lagyan nyo ng mustard. Sarap niyan. 3-point play opportunity pa sa malaking mama nito. Elospa, very creative guy. And he has 5 points in this game. So, direct, i-highlight natin yan mamaya sa halftime. Yung ganyan tiro na yan. 1:10 remaining sa ating first half. Magandang pasa. Nakahanap ni Angeles yung libreng-libre. That's Salinas, or Salinar rather. He has 5 points. So both teams talaga, very team coordinated. Makikita mo na mayroon talaga silang play. Baseline drive din. So nagipit sa ilalim. Tatlo sumalubog. Inside pass. Nice play. Manaloto. Nakita si Manalo. The two M's collaborating. And Manalo has 4 points. So kung makikita natin sa mga assist department, talagang pumupuro silang dalawa. 3-point shot, wala. Rebound, pinagkaguluhan. Ay, lumabas ang tira ni Cunanan. Baba tayo sa 20 seconds in the first half. At sabi ni referee Bulacan, ang bola ay mapupunta sa Mabalacat. Time down to 16 seconds. Wala na pong shot clock, so pwede sila mag-ubos ng oras dito. May pick si Manaloto. Oto, tumira, Elospa. Malakas. Final 5 seconds. Can they take the last attempt before we end this quarter? Ito na yung 100 shot! Ho-ho! Kita mo naman. Kita mo naman yun. Sabi nga ng mga term ni Coach Leo, yan ang A-leaves na shot. A-leaves. Take a look at this. One-handed at the buzzer. Great shot by Punsalan. And he has 11 points. He's now the leading scorer of the game. Mamaya, hihimayin natin yan yung mga top scores for both squads. At pati na rin ang highlights sa pagpapatuloy ng inyong Delta Cup. Magandang umaga mula dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. The halftime score, 34-33, San Simon. Okay, nagpapatuloy po ang ating Delta Cup. Halftime po tayo, 34-33. Labang po ang San Simon ng isa. Ipakita natin sa inyo mga kaibigan ang ating first half highlights kung saan marami tayong nakitang mga magandang development on both teams. Direct, let's show us the halftime highlights. One of them is this fast break finish para sa San Simon. Ayun, easy layup. Sa kabila naman sa Mabalacat, also a getaway by Dizon, left-handed. Pagkain din sa Mabalacat, eto yung dukot na sinasabi ko kanina, gandang-ganda. At on the other way on, ito yung buzzer beater, one-handed shot, ni Punsalan. And of course, let's show us the leading scores for both teams. For Mabalacat, Punsalan, like what I said, Mabalacat first. Let's have Mabalacat. Dizon scoring 9 points, Pineda and David has 7. It tallied exactly on my score sheet. For San Simon, Punsalan has 11 points, Santos with 6, and Salian 5. And Punsalan has made 5 of 6 from the free throw line. Dizon has merely made 4 of 6 from the field. Makikita natin ang ganda ng field goal shooting. Maganda rin ang free throw distribution para naman sa San Simon. Alright, we're just minutes away to start the third quarter. Let's pause for a short break. We'll be right back for the Delta Cup as we zoom in to the third quarter action. Stand by. Okay, mag-uumpisa na po tayo sa ating third quarter action again. You're watching the Delta Cup elimination round, first game of 6. It's Mabalacat versus San Simon. Hello everybody, my name is Ryan Paro doing the call live, and this is now third quarter of our basketball action. Mabalacat wearing in white, San Simon wearing in blue. Fast break po ang San Simon. Hindi na drinibol, tuloy-tuloy. Gets the layup, that's Pascual. And that's his first field goal for Pascual. And the lead is back to 3 para sa San Simon. Zip pass inside. Hindi pumasok ang kanyang tira. Kailangan niya ilobo dahil merong sasalubong na player sa itaas. In the meantime, the ball will stay with San Simon. And they still have 18 seconds of the shot clock. We have a crowd of over almost 200 plus watching right now. Of course, sa Facebook Live. Maraming salamat sa panonood at maraming salamat sa 3-point shot na yan ni Salihan. And Salihan now has 8 points, 2 3-pointers for him. 33-39. The lob inside Malyari. He didn't get it. Sayang yung tira na yun. Ball goes back to San Simon. Ito na si Pascual. He's swinging around the ball right to left. 3-point shot, wala. Dizon, atake. Nicely done, nice layup. And now he has 11 points. Tayong Punsalan with the most points in this game. Nakakuha ng angle dito Mabalacat. Dizon right down the base, the reverse, Blanca. Ito na San Simon. They're protecting a 4-point lead at meron tayong jump ball. Ayun. kagilan si Dizon. Take a look at this replay. Ayun. Nag-ipit si Salian. Wala siyang magawa. He was tied up by Dizon. It's going to be a jump ball. The ball possession will stay with San Simon. And the shot clock will be 17 seconds. 4-point lead. 2 minutes gone by sa ating third quarter. Nakago dito. Ang nakaputi na San Simon. Tipino gets almost a block. Pero may foul. May sabit sa itaas. It's gonna be foul against San Simon. Take a look at this. He thought he has always free, but he will not give this on a silver platter. Si Tipino na ipasok pa niya unang free throw. He has 3 points. That last foul will be against whom? I think that's Pascual. Pascual will go for the foul. 2 free throws made. 4 points sa Tipino. Nakakuha na naman ang agaw. Malyari can't make it. And here comes Cunanan. Cunanan wants to break loose. Sabi ni Pascual, set up muna tayo. This is just a 2-point game. And a 3-ball. Increase the lead to 5. Yung pamatay sunog sa comeback aspirations dito ng Mabalacat. Meantime, meron tayong foul. Foul number 10 of San Simon. Oh, sorry, number 9, Pascual. Pascual now has third personal foul. Sa yung unang player, third personal foul. Teka muna. Meron tayong foul. It's a foul on number 14 ng San Simon. Take a look at this on this last bit of action. Teka, meron ba tayong replay? Ayun. Ito yung huling girian. Here's the drive. Ayun. It's number 15 foul rather. One more free throw for Dizon. Split para kay Dizon. He has 12 points. Ang Mabalacat ay nagpe-press. The lead is 4 for San Simon, 42-38. Nagulat sa pasa si Cunanan. He could have been free. Salihan. Kanyang dukot. They still have it. Only 7 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 5. Down to 2. Hindi na niya may titira to sa shot clock violation. Six minutes and 25 seconds after the third quarter. Both teams, ang Mabalacat, they have a 3-0 record. San Simon, 2 wins and 0. Ang pistol ng Tipino. Hindi pa rin pumasok ng 3-point shot. Sabit sa foul si Cunanan. That's going to be his second foul. Okay. Tingnan natin sa replay na ito. Sa pwestuhan, pumeke. Ayun. Namingwit ng malaking isda. Si Malyari. Pumuna si Cunanan with 3 fouls. And Dimla has 2 fouls. Needs to check back in the game. First free throw, pumasok para Malyari. Even with the shouting, hindi siya na nawindang doon. 2 free throws made by Malyari. And believe it or not, that's only his second point of the ball game. And the pressure is on. Mabalacat keep on pressing, but there's going to be a foul. And it's going to be a foul on Malyari. Parang personal foul na ni Malyari. So, 2 players now with 3 fouls. That's Malyari and Pascual. 2-point lead for San Simon, 42-40. Approaching the halfway point. Standing third quarter, 5 minutes and 45. 3-point shot, wala. And Elospa, siya nakukuha ng rebound. Nanahimik last second quarter after the good first quarter for Elospa. Sa third quarter, nakabuslo ng puntos. Now has 7 points. In the meantime, ito na San Simon. Nagkakalat sila. Nakaagaw dito si Lospa. Malaki mama. Siya nagdadala. Pinasa kay Diz on the drop. Malyari to fix. And that patience paid off for Malyari. And Mabalacat now with the lead by 2. We have 5 deadlocks in this game. That's how close it is. Blanca sana tinig Tipino pero may foul sa amin ng referee. And Tipino will be called for his first personal. Take a look at this replay. So malinis ang Blanca sa itaas. Nako. Teka. Mukhang malinis yun ah. Anyway, yun ang tawag ng ating referee. Respetuhin natin ang tawag. Yan natin, 3 free throws po para sa San Simon. First free throw is good. Kaya pala yung buong bench ng Mabalacat upset dun sa ano kasi tingin nila walang foul. Pero anyway, natawag na yan. Second free throw is no good. So split. Score natin 43-44. Lamang pa rin dito ng Mabalacat ng 1 puntos. Yan ay si number 7 yung hindi nakascore ng free throw. Dizon may tangal ang bola. Dizon na matake sa kanan. Pumunta sa kaliwa. Double team. 5 to shoot. Eto ang drive ni Tipino. Yes sir! Nice shot. In the meantime, baseline jumper. He got it. At si Briones na nakakuha ng puntos at the first point. First basket of Briones. Tatawag ng timeout dito San Simon. They're trailing by 5. 48-43. Mabalacat. 4:23 in the third. Okay, bago yan, panoorin natin tong tira na to ng Mabalacat. Okay, nagbabalik tayo sa laro dito sa Delta Cup. At samantala, ang ating broadcast ay live muna tayo sa Sinag Liga Asia. Pero later on, after ng Balitang Pampanga ngayon na ginaganap sa Pampanga TIO, they gonna broadcast this live as Rivera cans the 3-point shot. At meron ng 5 puntos si Rivera. Sa harapan natin mangyari yon. 3 points. Oh, binabati natin mga Facebook friends natin. Si Alay Dagdag, KD Villanueva, and Pascual Khalil. Shot goes para sa Mabalacat. And that's Tipino. And Tipino now has 11 points. The lead is 5 past Mabalacat. Time remaining 3 minutes and 32. Santos, jump shot. Picture perfect jump shot. Pero hindi pumasok. Dimla likewise. Missing the tip-in. Excuse me. Right, si Tipino nagdadala sa Mabalacat. They're up by 5 points. San Simon always a no pushover team. 5 na lang sa shot clock. Here's the jumper. It goes. It goes. Nice balance here. Hard worker talaga po si Elospa. His fourth field goal, he has 9 points. 3-point shot left quarter court. Ito na, gumagana ng 3-point shot. At si Rivera muli nakabuslo. And he has 7 points. Samantala, 8-second violation. Mapuputukan dito ang Mabalacat. Elospa, Jumulate to Gingerly. not knowing that it's only 8 seconds to cross the from the backcourt to the frontcourt. Samantala, meron tayong substitution para sa MABALACAT. Pumuna si Briones, babalik yung kanilang enforcer na si Pineda. Papapansin natin dito sa MABALACAT na marami silang mga kaliweteng player. Yan, si Pineda at si Dizon. Sabay sila ngayon. Here's Briones, kick out Santos. They have 13 on the shot clock. Ito na San Simon. Rivera muli. Hindi na nangyari yung kapos ng kanyang 3-point shot. Here comes the white shirts. They have a 7-point edge. 2:15 remaining. Dizon, libre sa 3. Offline. Excuse me. Fast break. Rivera, tuloy-tuloy. Dimla. Tipin niya, wala. Ay, nako. Ang San Simon talagang displaying the efforts pero laging in vain. Malyari. Easy bucket there. At meron na siyang 6 na puntos. The lead is 5, 54-49. Salamat din kay James Danan. 3-point shot. Ah, yes! Dizon. Dizon now has 15 points. At dinikit ang laban natin with just 2, 54-52. Dizon muli. Will extricate. And the second case of traveling. Ayan na. Traveling na naman. Rated 18. It's a 2-point edge para sa MABALACAT. Palitan tao dito ang both teams. Want fresh legs, fresh lungs. And this is just a 40-minute game. 15 to shoot now. Santos on the left wing. Santos pump fakes. Scoop shot. Wala. Nakuha ni Malyari ang bola. Malyari tuloy-tuloy. Pinasa sa kanyang kakampi. Corner pocket jumper. So, nasasanay na dito ang ang MABALACAT to score jumpers. Pero ito, mintis ang layup ni Garcia. He picks it up pero he's still out of bounds, and Garcia is complaining that. And now the coaching staff of San Simon is visibly upset. Itong refereeing si Bulacan ngayon kinakausap niya si crew chief Anthony Roque. He made a mistake and it is a legal tap. Yes, it is a legal tap. Yan, kitang-kita sa replay. Ang bola wala naman sa baseline. So the referee corrects himself his call. And ang bola mapupunta sa San Simon. Rivera. Bad pass. Tipino has this basket on a silver platter. (58-52). The lead is 6 para sa MABALACAT. Talagang they're keeping San Simon comeback aspirations at bay. 13 seconds na lamang sa ating third quarter. Baseline, huli, pero sabit sa kamay, sabi niya ni ref. At matatawagan na si Tipino. That's only his second foul. Take a look at this. From the drive, ayun, sabit, may foul. Good call. Good call by refs. Ayan po, ito ang ating gwapong-gwapong si Jedro, ang ating technical director. Ito ko kanyang selfie. Chismax ang kanyang partner in crime niya. 58-54. The lead is 4 for MABALACAT. 4 seconds remaining. Nako! Napatapak si Tipino sa sideline, giving a slim chance. Excuse me. Slim chance for San Simon to come back. 1.4 seconds na lamang tayo sa third quarter. So halos literally catch and shoot na to. Eto, kailan na itira? He got it! Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Rivera surprising us with a 3-point bomb off the glass from 30 feet. Direk, I wanna see this. Ginulantang tayo mga kabalen. Si Rivera pumukol ng 3 mula, o hindi to 30 feet. This is 35 feet. 35 pie. Halos from the logo na. Because the half court is 37 feet. It's just 2 feet away. Wow! Rivera ending the third quarter on a high note. 58 points from MABALACAT. 57 points San Simon. This is just the beginning, folks. Only the beginning. Marami pa po tayong matutuyang action dito lang sa Delta Cup. Okay, habang nagbabalik na tayo dito sa Delta Cup, may kwento ko lang, no? Ganyan din nangyari nung una kong nakitang sa rookie year ng Mapua si Clint Escamis. You know, when I was a venue announcer on another league last November, almost a year ago, he hit that same 3-pointer in the third quarter pero 33 feet lang. Pero sabi ko, ba okay itong batang to kung magiging pivotal. Look at now, Clint Escamis is now on the front runners on the MVP honors NCAA. As we go back to the live action, mintis doon ang MABALACAT on their possession. Now San Simon can reclaim the driver's seat in this ballgame. They're just down by 1, and here it comes. But Liscaro erases that shot. Ito na si Dizon at the fast break. Right-handed. Naku! Niluwa lang. San Simon, sabi ng head coach, push. Ponsalan with a bounce pass. Hindi pininit. Corner, 3-feet bites. Yes, sir! Salihan. That's his third 3 of the game. And he has 9 points. Samantala, meron tayong foul. At si Rivera, medyo eager beaver doon na gusto sumundot. Foul on Rivera. That's his second personal foul. Take a look at this. Ayun. Hinarangan pala. Hinarangan ni Rivera. It's not a sundot. Hinarangan. Sa blocking foul. Okay, ang score natin, San Simon 60, MABALACAT 50. You can see the score in the time of the lower right-hand side of the screen. Magandang umaga po mga kabalin. Ako po ninyong coach, Ryan Paro doing the call. Rivera's reverse. No soak. And here comes San Simon. Rivera, the drop. Salihan, 3, short. They still get the ball back. Top of the key 3. Tip in. He got it. Pimla. And now San Simon. Ito yung tinatawag nilang fourth quarter storm. Talagang binubuhos na San Simon ng kanilang energy sa fourth quarter. At medyo nagulantang doon ang MABALACAT na sila ay na-out-rebounded on those last 3 possessions. From the baseline, Dizon, 4 na lamang sa shot clock. It's now a problem. Elospa, lost it. Fast break, naharangan ni Liscano. And Liscano was called for a foul. That will be his first personal. Let's see that again in slow-mo. On the fast break, ayun! Hinarangan ni Liscano. Foul si Liscano. Ito na si Rivera. Magandang kanyang first half pero second half na nahimik. Wala siyang na-score ng third quarter. Actually, Rivera has scored. Oh, teka muna. Nakabuslo dito si Ponsalan. And Ponsalan now has 13 points. One of the prime candidates of the best player honors. The shot won't work. Okay, back to live action now. Here's Rivera outside. Oh! So, si Rivera ay titira ng 2 free throw. Tingnan natin, nagpasabit siya. Ayun, kitang-kita Liscano with his second personal foul. Nope. Again, sinabi ko kanina si Pineda, he had a good first half. 7, but he scored nothing in the third quarter. And Rivera bungled those last 2 free throws. The lead is 6 for San Simon. 64-58, time remaining, 7 minutes remaining. And we have a foul by Rivera. That will be his third personal foul. So, kailangan mag-ingat dito si Rivera dahil 3 na ang foul. So, tumawag na si referee Bulacan. Tingnan natin yun. May hawak. Ayun. Handcheck foul. Lost pa. Tight underneath. Eto na. Naku, di pumasok ang tira ni Pineda. And that inside incursion. 64-58. And here comes the drop. Punsalan open. No. Gets it right back. Punsalan lost it. Inside play. Tap. Excuse me. Natapik. At babalik ang bola sa Mabalacat. And Rivera will take a breather. We'll be back later on in this crucial part of the game. Lost pa. So ginawa nun ng left wing is Tipino reverse. Wala. Ball batted away. Ito na San Simon on the fast break opportunity. And that time, Liscanos counter steals it. Tipino nabangga rather. Will take 2 free throws. The last foul against San Simon. So, unti-unti. Mapupuno po ang Team Buencia Convention Center. Take a look at this. Last foul by Pascual. Delikado rin kay Pascual dahil that's already his 4th personal foul. 1 more, he will be in exile. David scores another free throw. He's now got 11 points. Okay, upo muna si Pascual dahil meron siyang 4 na fouls. 64-60. Mamaya-maya po after the game, I'll be interviewing the best player of the ball game honors. Punsalan, spin, stirs, the hawk, wala, rebound. Nakuha muli. Pinagkagulo, nagkaagaw ang buko. Uy! Jump ball tayo. At mananatili ang bola sa San Simon. Okay, habang jump ball, habang panahon natin replay, salamat din kay Kian Lopez, James Bertanan at si Alal Dangda. At sa 721 viewers nanonood sa ating Facebook page ng Sinag Liga Asia. Like, share, subscribe. Facebook page of Sinag Liga Asia. Of course, binabati natin si Chairman Rocky Chan, President and CEO Ray Araw, and of course in attendance ang tournament commission natin, and of course COO ng Sinag Liga Asia, si Coach Leo Isaac. Halfway point of this fourth quarter rather. Great rebound by Garcia, but he was rejected, and the referee halts play. There is gonna be a foul. At sabi ni Birds Isuga, ang foul ay mapupunta kay kanino? Tingnan natin. Off the rebound. Meron tayong violation. Hindi malinaw kung traveling o dribbling eh. Hindi pinito ni Bert si Suga eh. Anyway, balik tayo. Wala tayong foul on that last instant. 10 to shoot. Nagkagulo. San Simon has it. Hop step. Nag-drop. Nako, eto na yung pangatlong case ng traveling. (64-60) is our tally. Ayan, nag-aanda na po yung dalawang teams natin na maglaro sa ating second game. And later on, I'll check their team standings. And I'll check the demographics of their scoring and also their ploy of play. Samantala, balik tayo sa live action. Nice shot, nice shot. Finally, nag-isip si Pineda after he was blanked in the third quarter. First field goal by Pineda in the fourth. Garcia soars high for the layup. Lumipad, si Garcia, lumipad. And that last foul is against Pineda. That will be only his first personal. Take a look at this flight. Here's the drive. Flight Garcia takes off. opportunity po para kay Garcia. Wala. 4 points, San Simon. So nagkapalit tayo ng driver seat. Ang driver seat na nasa San Simon. Lamang sila ng 4. Nag-aabol dito ang MABALACAT. Excuse me, nagkagulo na naman. Pang-4 na case yan ng traveling. So, namumutakti tayo ng traveling errors dito sa second half of action. It is crucial part of the game. 14 shot clock. Bola ng MABALACAT, Elospa. Siya magtitimon. Crossover. Muntik pabitawan. Tumira, pumasok. Nice balance by Elospa. He has 11 points now. The lead is just 2. 4 minutes remaining. We're just game 1 of 6. Looking for a best possible option. Inside, the turnaround. Wala. Rebound. Ball fought for. Three minutes and 48. Nahuli niyo ako direct, ano? Okay lang yan. Ano pa ako eh. Yun yung mga boses na alam mo na, nauunat. Anyway, 3 team fouls apiece. At again, si Ryan para pumulito. Papapatuloy ng Delta Cup dito sa BREN Convention Center. I'm just conserving my voice dahil back-to-back po ako after ng Delta Cup. I'll have an important game to cover. Yung ISAA naman. Dito rin sa Sinag Liga Asia rin. Live. Playoffs na po tayo doon. Oh! 3-point shot! Para sa San Simon. Suddenly a 5-point game. 3:14 remaining in the fourth quarter. Elospa spots. Rims out. Rebound. They still get it. The drop. And there's a foul. That's Rivera. That will be his 4th personal foul. Last field goal by San Simon coming from Angeles. Believe it or not, Angeles scored his first field goal. Missed shot for the white shirts. Time remaining now is 2 minutes and 50 sa ating fourth quarter. Inside. Bounce pass. Garcia thought about it. Decides to drive. Masyadong malalim. Jump shot on its way. Wala. Dimla clears it. Three-point shot. Yes! Big shot. Big shot. 2 straight 3-pointers for Angeles. At tatawag dito timeout ang MABALACAT. Didn't know what hit them. They're suddenly down by 7, 72-64. Direct panoorin natin yung mga 3-point shot na naibuslo ni Angeles at this stage. Take a look at this. A big 3-point bomb by Angeles. We'll be right back. Okay, sa mga viewers natin sa Pampanga PIO, I'll check if they are live right now, but we're now and mamaya second, okay, tingnan natin kung live na ang Delta Cup sa hindi pa. So they will be live on the second game. Sa second game magla-live po ang laro na ito. Samantala, fast break for San Simon. March inside play. Oh, there's gonna be a foul by Pupilo. It will be his 3rd personal. Exactly 2 minutes na tayo sa ating first game of 6. Take a look at this replay. And this last play, ayun, sumabit. Foul. So 2 free throws now for Dimla. He scored the first, and Dimla now has 7 points. The lead is 9 for San Simon. Oh, what a fourth quarter spurt they have. A miss, and here comes MABALACAT. And 2 minutes remaining now. Last 2 minutes. This one brings up the letter. This one now to Pineda. Pineda right down the base outside. They lost the ball again, and here's San Simon on the attack. They will slow down the tempo. They're looking for cutters. Dimla on the outside, waiting for instructions. Rivera now on the logo. Goes left, drives hard. Rivera was clipped. Rivera puts it up. Back to Garcia. Garcia can't score. Rebound. It goes to the white shirts. Dizon receives it. Fast break. In the finish line, Tefino scores the basket. The lead is now 7 points, 73-66. Here comes Dimla inside the paint. Dimla overcooks the mark. Ball tied up. Okay. If the ball goes back to MABALACAT. There's some dishes on the floor now. So it's just a 7-point game. All important matter now for MABALACAT is to score. Time is not on their side. They need to score real quick. They lost my 3-point shot. It goes out. And the ball goes back to San Simon. 7-point depth. Some pressure on the backcourt now. Here's Angeles. Here's Rivera, who is in foul trouble. Brings up the letter for San Simon. Rivera goes right. 16 to shoot. Now to Angeles on the outside. 54 seconds. Angeles has the basketball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. There's a pick provided. Here's the switch. Dimla inside. Dimla was blocked. And the ball goes back to MABALACAT. No complaints yet from both coaches. Both teams have 14 fouls apiece. 45 seconds. And here it comes. The white shirts needs to score this quick. Here's Tefino on the outside. Almost traveled on the outside. And they lost it. Dizon. That is a crucial turnover. Bitter pill to swallow. Timeout taken by San Simon. With 35 seconds remaining. We'll be right back. Back to live action here in the GUIAO Convention Center. Don't forget, after this game, yours truly, Juan Paro, will interview the best player honors. One of the prime candidates for San Simon is this guy, Punsalan. Whenever he gets the rebounds, he always wants to share the ball to his teammates. And here's the guy that I'm talking about. Punsalan gives it up to his teammate, Angeles. 60 to shoot, 25 of the game. Angeles drives the drop, game line, scores! Oh, that takes the cake. 75-66, Dizon. That should do it. And that will be the very first loss of MABALACAT. Malyari will be called for his fourth personal. It's a wedding penalty situation. .6 seconds, and this game is already in the refrigerator for San Simon. The ends are cooling, the butter's getting hard, the jello's jiggling. Yes, it is penalty situation. So 2 free throws now for Dimla. Dimla so far has scored 8 points. He has 9. But my choice for the best player is Punsalan, who has been steady in the free throw line, rebounding and scoring. And with only 10 seconds remaining, this is already a one-ball game. One more time, three-pointer. Yes, Dizon. Consolation prize on a losing effort. It's another 3. 5 seconds. And Lina says this is game is over. This is our final score now. San Simon, 76 points. And MABALACAT with 69 points. That's our final score. And we will now go to our interview. Yours truly, Rampara, will interview the best player of the ball game po sa land station. Assist, 3 steals. (76-69) ating final score. Nanalo po ang San Simon. Dinungisan nilang record ng MABALACAT and now they go 3-0. Of course, dalawa ang ating napiling best players of the game. Si Angeles at saka si Rivera rather. Unahin muna natin si Angeles. Bro, napaka-steady performance mo. You got that snare, rebounds, at assist. Paano mo nag-load ng team na talagang magalaking comeback nyo ng fourth quarter?
Nagtiwala lang kami sa sistema ng coaches namin. Tsaka may tiwala ako sa mga teammates ko na kaya nilang gawin yung mga pinapasa ko sa kanila. Tsaka yung nagtutulungan lang kami sa loob. Nagtitiwala kami sa sistema ng coaches namin at sa bawat isa sa amin.
Of course, punta naman tayo kay Rivera. Alam mo, mahirap i-stop yung scoring streak ni Dizon, di ba? First half maganda, pero nung second half na napigilan mo yung scoring, anong magandang nagawa mo doon?
Nakinig lang ako sa mga coaches namin, yung mga payo namin.
Okay. Dahil dalawa ating best player, unahin muna natin si Angeles. Pwede ka na bumati na yun ang camera.
Papasalamat ako kay God na binigay sa amin yung panalo. Walang nasaktan sa mga teammates ko at sa kalaban namin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na sumusuporta sa liga ni Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Tsaka ipapasalamat ako sa Balen San Simon sa lahat na sumusuporta sa amin tsaka sa mga kapapahan. Binabati ko yung pamilya ko sa nanonood sa bahay tsaka si Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Ikaw naman, Rivera, sino ang gusto mong batiin pasalamatan?
Maraming salamat sa sumusuporta sa San Simon at saka mga coaches namin tsaka sa pamilya ko. Maraming salamat. Yun lang po.
Well, it's good to have two players sharing the best player honors. Game 1 is done. Meron pa tayong 5 laro. Magbabalik pa po ang Delta Cup.